Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Menulog Driver app. First, download the Menulog Driver app and sign in. Enable location or GPS so the app can track your deliveries. Set your availability and choose your delivery zones. Start your run to receive delivery offers. Use the app's in-app directions or your preferred maps to navigate. For each delivery, swipe through stages like collected order and delivered. Make sure you have essentials like a charger and a thermal bag for a smooth experience. And that's it. That's how to use Menulog Driver app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.